with Capital One, usually they will sell your debt. If you don't pay, they'll sell it to a debt collector. I've never seen Capital One sell your account or transfer your account to a new credit card company. I have never seen that before. If that's happened to you, put down in the comments so other people can learn, but I have never seen that happen. Now, usually when they sell it to a collection company, that collection company is going to come after you. And a lot of times it's probably going to be Midland or it's going to be LVNV funding. Um, Probably portfolio too. Those are probably going to be the major three, but mainly Midland. So usually when they sell it like that, they should have some type of contract, but they're going to report that account incorrectly. So if I were you, I would just dispute it. If it's an actual collection company, I would dispute it and then have them remove it from your credit reports. But I never seen them like transfer the debt. So if you guys have it where it's been transferred, put it down in the comments and maybe answer like what can you do in a situation when a debt has been transferred. Because I have no idea that they did that. So I don't